right, guys, we're here. Sorry for the rush, but they are about to test right now for the first time. It's going up the lift. Let's go. I'm about to upload this as soon as I'm done for you guys. There's already people. There's other people here. Come on, guys. It's going up the lift. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. They're going to stop it frequently, and it is going to be sent. Come on, let's go to the other side.
They got the dummies on too.
Dude. Come to this side. Larry. Appreciate you, Larry. Come on, here, let's go over here. I'm gonna go over here to this side, guys. We're gonna move. I'm gonna keep the cameras rolling for this. Sorry if it's a little shaky, but I gotta keep it rolling for you guys. All right, actually, I'm gonna cut. We'll cut for a second because they are about to check it as it's going up the lift. I will pick back up when it gets up faster, higher. All right, guys, picking back up over here. I'm gonna get over by the front of the lift because it looks like it's about to drop, guys. Oh yeah, it's dropping. Let's go. First, let's go. Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, first test run. Into the stall. Now it's going into the crow's nest. Turn around, headed back down south into the other inversion. It's looking great so far, guys. Let's see if they stop it at the mid. No, it's going right through. Let's go. Oh, man. And then that's as far as we can see. I'll try and get another angle, but there you can kind of see the wave turn.